Go! 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 Go!
Why isn't the train coming?
It seems there's a problem. I will check it. Oh no! Hello, Gecko. There's been an accident here. We need the bulldozer here.
Okay, I'll send it.
Hello, we need to repair the railway track. Send the crane.
Okay, I'll send it. Hello, Connor. I will repair the track.
Thank you. I think train is coming.
That's great. Okay, Amaya. Now I am going.
Bye, Connor.
Bye, Amaya.